Hello friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Creative Tiana, and this week's video is about our hike to Ricketts Glen State Park in Pennsylvania. We took the 3.2-mile waterfall trail hike and we got to see a 94-foot waterfall. Hope you enjoy hiking with us in this video.
I love how John still has his mask on.
Yeah, why do you have it on?
You see all these bugs that are around? Fuck that.
That's protein.
Hell no. That's gross.
This is the start of our climb, and we've actually hiked this trail before, so we wanted to try going a different route. This time, instead of seeing all the small waterfalls first, we decided to start with the biggest waterfall and then work our way back. It was a good choice because the hike was much easier this time, and I felt like I got to enjoy it much more, being in the moment, focusing on just all the beauty around me instead of not dying.
Yeah. Oh my.
Yeah. Cool. I love how it's like dripping. Hey guys, so we're here at Ricketts Glen and we made it to the 94-foot waterfall. I don't know how well this audio is going to come out, so just bear with me. And yeah, here we are. Beautiful. And we're just going to kick back and enjoy it.
This was the 94-foot waterfall. My sister and I decided to just go and take a closer look, and guys, it was beautiful. It was so refreshing feeling the cool mist on us from the water. After we visited the 94-foot waterfall, we went on to see about 8 more waterfalls. It was an uphill climb from there, so we put the cameras away and just enjoyed the moment. We ended the day with a nice chill picnic at the lake.
There's like no in between.
As always, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe and hit like down below. And hopefully I will see you in the future again back on the channel, because I'm planning on making a lot more educational content and more travel vlogs and just a lot of really good stuff this summer. So again, subscribe, like, and I'll see you next time.